Hi, my name is Mike Wolf, and I'm the Senior Director of Signode Technologies at Signode Industrial. We are showing at PAC Expo this year an integrated line where we're showing the capabilities to transport loads, palletize those loads, wrap those loads with our Octopus Prestige ring wrapper, and then send them out and transport them again with an autonomous mobile robot. So this is a really cool integrated line where you sort of see the capabilities of working with a bunch of machines together to get that load, your goods, secondary packaged, unitized, and ready to go out the door. A couple things I want to talk about here. First, just on using the autonomous robots in the first place. One of the things you find as you're integrating autonomous robots in your process, you don't need as many conveyors, and your factory becomes a lot more flexible to what you need to set up and what you might need to do in the future to change to a different route, a different path. For instance, instead of needing conveyors to go all the way to the truck bay, you can have the autonomous mobile robots bring the units all the way to where they're going to be staged to go on the trucks in multiple bays without an extra conveyor system. So the robot's going to come around in a minute. It's not in the video pane right now, but we're sort of just doing this demo at a lower speed because we've got the whole show set up. Now, I also want to talk specifically about our Octopus Prestige stretch wrapper. So this is a new machine launching this year where Signode's designed the next generation of stretch wrapping. So what this machine is really focused on is high throughput and high availability to be able to stretch wrap multiple shifts fully automated. One of the things, as we're talking about data processing, that I find really interesting in these machines is when you're putting film onto a load, so we make the film and we make the machine, you want to pre-stretch that film 3 or 4 times and then put the exact right amount on the unit. And that you put enough so you get the load securement, but anything more that you put is going to be waste. So one of the things that we can do by monitoring the film performance on the machine is we're going to see how much you're stretching. We're also going to count how many units you can do on the machine, and we can integrate that data into our cloud IoT platform to do fleet management and go ahead and proactively say, look, this machine's running, you got the right number of units from this film roll. There's another machine on a different shift in a different facility, you're actually wasting some of the film because of how the machine's set up. So you could go and learn from one machine in one location and improve the setup in another location because of what we're sensing on the machine and what we're monitoring with the film. Besides that, so right now you're seeing an autonomous forklift that Signode can integrate with any of our systems. So what this is going to do is drop off the load, and we're interfacing directly with the plant MES software or the warehouse management software to tell which loads where to go. Then we take over inside the light curtain and have the palletizing action and the wrapping action happen within the guard doors. These robots make it extremely flexible so that you can send your loads wherever they need to go, including to multiple truck bays, staging things in ways that'll be different depending on the logistics that you need that day.